Crisis in Andhra Pradesh after the 20 ministers from coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema regions have threatened to resign. Today, ministers from Telangana are meeting to decide if they should quit too. Sunil Prabhu joins us from the capital for more. Sunil, more ministers threatening to resign. How is the Congress going to tackle this situation?
Well, Divya, I'm joined by the man who actually was the first person to start and precipitate this crisis of resigning without consulting the Congress president or the Prime Minister. He went to the Speaker, submitted his resignation. Today, of course, he's backtracked, not talking about his hunger strike, not talking about the fact that more MPs will be resigning. What's the reason, Mr. Rajgopal? You have understood that the High Command will not take back its decision, or you understand that it's going to be on the back burner?
I didn't backtrack. I've been silent for the last 3 days. Today I broke my silence, except to the question that you answered. The only question that I've been silent was yours, what that you asked about my resignation, because I'm bound by Constitution. What transpired between me and Speaker, I can't disclose it outly. I was silent for 3 days. I still remain silent on this issue. I never backtracked. Neither I said I'm going ahead, nor I said I'm going back. So if at all you want to know something, please contact the Speaker's office. But also I said, there will be a by-election to Vijayawada Parliament seat. And I am not a candidate for that. I stand by that. I am not aspiring for that.
But clearly, you've seen the reaction, the Prime Minister himself saying nothing will be done in haste. They needed to diffuse a situation which had been created by the fast of Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao. Of course, the Congress not wanting to give that space to him now. Don't you think it's good for Andhra Pradesh now to allow tempers to cool and emotions to not run high at this stage? As an important political leader, wouldn't you want to send the correct message across the state of Andhra Pradesh?
There has to be fairness here. I'm happy that Manmohan Singh said that. He's a right-thinking person. If you look at it, it is as divisive forces, separatistics, who asked for resolution. And UPA government has agreed to introduce a resolution. It is today the same forces are saying that we don't want resolution. Because it's very amply clear in Andhra Pradesh, cutting across party lines, cutting across regions, 225 and more MLAs are willing to vote against the resolution. So today, all of us are saying that, let's go ahead. So we are in line with UPA announcement.
But if a whip is issued, then you'll have a problem.
So what I'm saying is, why did KCR or the separatists withdraw agitation based on introduction of resolution, and now they are going back? I didn't go back. They are the ones who are saying that we don't want resolutions. They withdrew the movement with the assurance of resolution. Now they don't want that. What we are saying is, yes, please introduce. I want the whole nation to understand Telugu-speaking people are united together.
But clearly, Mr. Rajgopal, the Congress High Command hasn't been happy because once a decision is taken, you have to understand the whole gravity of the situation. Are you going to continue with pressing for people to resign? You had been threatening to go on a hunger strike. Are you going to do that or not? What's going to be your strategy?
I didn't ask anybody to resign. I never threatened anybody. Did I ever speak for last 3 days?
You were the first one to start doing the whole process.
Last 3 days, did I ever talk to anybody? Neither to media, not to the leaders, to anybody. I've been silent for the last 3 days. Today I broke my silence. Did I ever speak now about resignations? I'll be silent on that.
Hunger strike?
Hunger strike, what I said. If resolution is not moved in the house, I got no choice.
Tuba.com